My best bet in the trading space is actually to take what the market has to give to me and not to be greedy.
Okay, so our TP is about to be it. As you can see, it's ending there.
Following my trading plans, following my trading rules like I did, and it actually played out my way. And that should be your best bet also. Don't be greedy. You need to be disciplined. Discipline in real life also means discipline on chat. Honestly speaking, before you blow up your account again, let me show you how to flip it with sense. Hi guys, I am Joy Kayode and welcome to the Soft Trader Journal. In this channel, I'll be bringing my real self like completely to you guys. Channel where I document real life trading setups, strategic wins, psychological masteries, discipline. One thing I've come to realize in this trading journey is the fact that discipline, consistency, and patience, they all work hand in hand together. So if you want to actually see yourself making it in the space, then you need to treat it like a digital skill and a long-term opportunity, not a get-rich-quick opportunity or a platform or a space where you just want to milk money and get the fuck out immediately. It's not done that way. So guys, I'll be heading to my computer right now to show you what I do daily. As you can see, I'm all dressed up, ready to head out. So but before then, I'm going to head to my computer and check some of the best synthetic indices that I love to play around with because I'm a synthetic trader. So this has to be one of my favorite synthetic indices as a synthetic trader. So I actually analyzed this yesterday and I waited for it for long for it to be triggered, and trust me, it was actually worth the wait eventually because I took 3 profits from this particular trade. TP1, TP2, TP3, and right now it's still selling massively. So let's see what's happening this morning. I love to analyze the market first thing in the morning. Yes, sometimes I try to wake up at night, but I'm still trying to get used to that idea of waking up at night to see what's happening in the market. I'm trying to adjust my lights. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, this is where it broke structure. This was an uptrend. The first thing you need to actually check is to check the market structure, and there are 3 types of market structure. Basically, we have the uptrend structure, the downtrend structure, and the ranging. And for my kind of strategy, when I'm actually trading this particular supply and demand strategy, I have to use either the uptrend or the downtrend. But sometimes when I'm actually using the support and resistance, you can as well use that using the ranging market. But it's not always advisable to trade a ranging market because a ranging market means it has no direction except you wait patiently for the breakout to see if it's going to break out to the upside or the downside. So now I just want to run you guys through what I did yesterday so you can just see it. Okay, so this was where it broke structure. Let me zoom this in a little bit. All right, so as you can see, this was clearly an uptrend structure. Using my trend line to confirm that again for you guys to see. Okay, let me start from here. Okay, you can see clearly that this was an uptrend. Can you see this was a very clear uptrend structure from what you can see on my screen. Okay, one thing about this trading journey is the fact that it has to be about you personally, not anyone else. Every one of us can be using the same strategy, but trust me, we have different approach to the market. Yeah, my strategy, my approach is my approach. What I look at before taking my entry is what I look at before taking my entry, not yours, not anyone. So don't get yourself confused. So let's say, okay, so let me go to my 1 hour time frame. I do take my entry from the 15-minute time frame because trust me, I do not like to sit down on the chart. Now, if you look at this point here, this is actually a demand. This is an order block, as you can see, and this is an imbalance here. And I think this was the one I traded yesterday, if I can remember. Oh, okay, I've seen the one I did yesterday. Let me go to my 15 minutes time frame. So this is my 15 minutes time frame, and I took a massive sell from this point. I took a massive sell from this point. Okay, so I started from here. Yesterday I started from this part. Okay. Okay, let's say I started from here. So I actually watched the market came down to this point and came back up to my supply zone. So this is actually my supply area, and the market actually came down, as you can see, and I waited patiently for it to come back into supply zone, to tap into my supply zone. And after getting my confirmation, as you can see, this bearish engulfing candlestick that showed up immediately after the close of this bullish candle that had, of course, the momentum wasn't as much as it should be anymore, because it shows that they were actually getting tired. The buyers were getting tired. So I actually took my confirmation from this part and I joined the trade from here. Okay, I entered it exactly at this point. And I sold massively. Okay, so my stop loss was, of course, my stop loss was right above this part. Yes, my stop loss was exactly there, and I sold massively. Like, I sold to this point, and I think I stepped out from this zone. Like I always say, you should not take a trade without checking the left hand side, because that is where you can actually be able to spot the obstacles that lies ahead of you. So as you can see, I took my TP1, TP2. Now I actually traded to this point, as you can see. Okay, let me use this so you could see clearly. So this was where I came out. I wanted to leave it, but then I don't know, I got tired of it, and I wanted to sleep last night, so I just wanted to like end my screen time last night, so I took it out. So exactly at this point. Okay. Alright. So I actually came out from here. I closed my trade at this point and profits. Right. You have to pardon me because I'm on long nails, so I'm just trying rubbish. Not rubbish per se, but then I'm just trying to. Okay, yeah, we have it here. All right, so this is it. So I actually took this trade yesterday. As you can see, I waited patiently. Like I said, I waited patiently. I was able to map out the supply area. As you can see, the order block. Then you can also see the fair value gap. Yeah, let me take it to 1 hour time frame again so we could spot it clearly. Okay, so you can see this part actually spotted this here. So I map out my supply zone and I waited for it to come back in and tap it. Then after coming in, then I noticed a double chart pattern, because I use different conferences to get my confirmations actually. So I noticed this market is actually going to sell, because looking at this point, you can be able to tell that it has gotten to a resistant level. As you can see, different things work hand in hand together in this trade. So it's about what works for you, what I see, what works for me, not anyone else. It's about what I feel, what has been working for me. So this is it. So there were different things I spotted. Can you see this? This is actually a strong resistance zone. The market actually got to that point 3 times, and over 4 times, I mean, I'm bounced back. So that makes it a very strong resistance zone. So I noticed that, and what did I do? I took advantage of that and I sold the hell out of this market. Can You see, look at it. The market got here, bounced back, did not go beyond, came here again, bounced back. Did you see? Came here again, bounced back. Did you see? Several times. So I took the opportunity and I sold. And right now the market is actually still selling. So that was what I did yesterday. So discipline is all we need in this journey. Discipline, consistency, and above all, patience. Trust me, I had to learn this the hard way, and I'm still learning it right now. Because I'm going to say, if everyone can actually learn how to discipline themselves, if everyone can learn how to discipline themselves, then it was actually a sniper entry. I just remembered. This was where I entered. Yeah. So if everyone can actually learn how to discipline themselves, then trust me, it's really going to be a very, very good one because it is worth the wait. There are sometimes I used to wait for my setup to play out. Let's say sometimes 4 hours, 5 hours, not me staying glued to the chat actually, because I get myself busy doing other things while actually waiting. And after waiting, it comes to me. I don't chase the market. The market actually come to me. So guys, that's it for today. So I'm going to just upload this for you guys today so you can see what I did yesterday, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do today, because I'm going to try to check where I can actually get a perfect entry and a solid setup for today. So that's it.